Hello everyone. In this question, it is given that if sec alpha minus 2 beta, sec alpha, and sec alpha plus 2 beta are the consecutive terms of an arithmetic progression, and cos square alpha equal to lambda times cos square beta, where beta is not equal to n pi, where n is an integer, then we have to find the value of lambda. Okay, so first of all, we are given that these three terms sec alpha minus 2 beta, sec alpha, and sec of alpha plus 2 beta, these terms are in AP and these are consecutive terms of an AP. Okay, so this implies that 2 times the middle term, that is 2 times sec alpha, will be equal to the sum of the two extreme terms, right? That is sec of alpha minus 2 beta plus sec of alpha plus 2 beta. Okay, so let us convert each of these terms into cosine. Okay, so this becomes 2 upon cos alpha is equal to 1 upon cos of alpha minus 2 beta plus 1 upon cos alpha plus 2 beta. Okay, and this on further simplification gives us 2 upon cos alpha is equal to cos of alpha plus 2 beta plus cos of alpha minus 2 beta, and in the denominator it is the product of cos alpha minus 2 beta times cos alpha plus 2 beta, right? Okay, so now I'm going to find the formula for cos of p minus q times cos of p plus q, right? This is the form, the denominator, right? Alpha minus 2 beta, and this is cos alpha plus 2 beta. Okay, so let us try to find this formula. This is cos p cos q, the first term, cos p cos q plus sin p sin q, right? And the second term is cos p cos q minus sin p sin q, right? So this is of the form a plus b times a minus b. So this is a square minus b square, right? Now a is cos p cos q. So this is cos square p cos square q minus sin square p sin square q, right? Okay, so this can be further simplified as cos square p. I can write this cos square q as 1 minus sin square q. Similarly, I can write this sin square p as 1 minus cos square p times sin square q. Okay, so this gives us cos square p minus cos square p sin square q, and similarly when multiplying this other term, second term, this gives us minus sin square q, and this minus minus gives us plus cos square p sin square q. Okay, so these two terms cancel each other and this becomes cos square p minus sin square q, right? So this is the product that I'm going to use here. Okay, cos p minus q times cos p plus q is cos square of the first term minus sin square of the second term. Okay, if you know this formula you can apply it directly here. Okay, so this gives us 2 upon cos alpha. In the numerator, on opening this bracket, this will give us cos alpha cos 2 beta minus sin alpha sin 2 beta, and similarly this will give us cos alpha cos 2 beta plus sin alpha sin 2 beta. So the two sin terms will cancel each other, so we are left with 2 times cos alpha and cos 2 beta, and in the denominator, since this is the product and this is the formula, so this becomes cos square alpha minus sin square 2 beta, right? So these two and these two will cancel each other, and on cross multiplication, if this goes to the left hand side, this becomes cos square alpha minus sin square 2 beta is equal to this cos times this entire thing. This will give us cos square alpha times cos 2 beta, right? So if I take all the cos square terms, cos square alpha terms to one side, this becomes cos square alpha minus cos square alpha cos 2 beta, and this goes to the other side, the sine term, this becomes sine square 2 beta. Okay, so if I take cos square alpha common, this becomes 1 minus cos 2 beta, and this becomes sine 2 beta is 2 sine beta cos beta, right? And this is sine square, so this is whole square. Okay, so this now becomes cos square alpha, and this 1 minus cos 2 beta, this is 2 sine square beta, right? So this becomes 2 sine square beta, and in the right hand side this becomes 4 times sine square beta times cos square beta. Okay, so now we are given one thing, that this beta is not equal to n pi, right? We are given that beta is not equal to n pi. Since beta not equal to n pi, where n is integer, this means that the value sine beta, this is not equal to 0, right? Sine of n pi is 0. So since beta is not equal to n pi, then sine beta is not equal to 0, right? So we can divide both sides of this equation by sine beta. Okay, this is why this is given. So dividing from this step, okay, dividing both sides by, we can divide by 2 sine square beta, right? 2 sine square beta, we get this 2 sine square beta and this 2 sine square beta will cancel each other, and this will become cos square alpha will be equal to, a 2 will be left out, 2 cos square beta, 2 times cos square beta. Okay, this is the required relationship, and we are given that cos square alpha is equal to lambda cos square beta. Also cos square alpha is equal to lambda times cos square beta, and we have deduced that cos square alpha is equal to 2 times cos square beta, right? So on comparing these two equations, we get that the value of lambda is equal to 2. Okay, and this is the required final answer. Okay, so this was a relatively very easy question. Okay, you just need to know this product formula. If you know this, you can apply it directly here, and we are just using basic trigonometric formula. Okay, and we have deduced this answer. So this is the required answer. If you have doubt in any step, you can pause the video or you can highlight in the comments also. Okay, otherwise this is completed. Thank you for watching.